Hello everybody, it is time to clean the condenser coil on the 2022 GE refrigerator for 2026. Start out by pulling it out from the wall. Doesn't look horrible. Go ahead and unplug it. How about a floor reveal? Not too bad. That ghetto setup there is just to keep the fridge from going into the outlet there. Quick and handy, and don't see it, so it looks alright to me. A little bit of dust on that back cover. Let's go ahead and get that floor swept up and then get the back cover off. Alrighty, got multiple sizes of screws here. See what we got here. And again, not too bad. Go brush that cover out. Good as new. Take a closer look. Got some general debris there. Now, I did get lectured earlier in the year about, of course, doing this the wrong way. That I was just blowing the dirt to the front and it would just get immediately sucked back into the coil. Well, if you look closely, there's the floor. I blow it down and out the front and then sweep up the dust or vacuum it up, whatever it needs. So we're going to keep doing it the same way I've been doing it. And I'm going to add a camera to the front where you can see the dust come out the front on the bottom. Air compressor is charged. Let's get after it. So yeah, here's a look at the dust that was in the condenser coil. Random spider. But yeah, definitely not stuck up in the bottom of the cabinet there. It comes out the front. So I have to get that cleaned up now. And a look after. It's better. I mean, as you can see, there's floor there too, so the dust indeed gets blown out the front and not back up to the front and then get sucked back in. It's not the way it goes. You can see the design of it. It would aim it down and out the floor and out the front, out the bottom. So there you go. So we'll get this all put back together and plug back in and maybe get a startup sound. Better. And that is done. And there's the startup sound. And just like that, the 2022 GE is back in place. So once again, coil cleaning on the 2022 GE fridge for 2026. Thank you for watching.